In this video, I'll show you how you can add friends in GTA 5 Online. Now let's say for instance you're in a lobby and you find a person that you'd like to add a friend or send a friend request to. All you have to do is pause the game and then select online. And then within the online settings, scroll down and select players. And you should see a list of all the available players in that particular session. Now find the player that you'd like to send a friend request to. So let's say for instance this particular player. Simply select them and then select send friend request. And then it will launch the social hub menu. And then you should see at the top right corner, friend request sent to that particular player. Now in case if you have a particular friend in mind, if you have their name in mind, you can simply add them. So all you have to do is open your browser. And then on the browser, go to the socialclub.rockstargames.com and sign into your account. And then once you sign into your account, click on your profile icon at the top right corner, select friends, and then choose find friends. Now from here, type in the name of that particular friend you'd like to add, and then search for them. And then from the list of the search results, find that particular player. So let's say for instance, if it's this one, all you have to do is click on this three dot icon. And then from the options that appear, select add friend. And then you can type a personal message and then select send. And then that friend request will be sent to that particular player. Now, once they accept your friend request, you can now see them on your friend list. So that's basically it on how to add friends in GTA 5 Online. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to this channel.